Hello, my name is Samantha Carter. I am the CEO and founder of Clarity Metrics Group, and I'm also a decision scientist. Today's topic is behavioral decision theory. This topic is important because decision making is a difficult and complex process. It involves biases, heuristics, emotions, and cognitive limitations. By studying these factors, we can understand why people make certain choices. This helps us create strategies to improve decision-making skills. Before we get started and jump into the details, we should define behavioral decision theory. Behavioral decision theory is a branch of psychology that deviates from the traditional rational choice theory, also known as decision theory, by acknowledging individuals do not always make rational decisions, as their choices are influenced by various psychological biases, heuristics, emotions, and cognitive limitations. Behavioral decision theory aligns with Clarity Metric Group Design's philosophy. So here are some key concepts in behavioral decision theory. Heuristics. Heuristics are mental shortcuts that simplify decision making. Biases. Biases are systematic errors in judgment. Cognitive limitations refer to the natural constraints that govern human thinking, perception, and memory. So now that we've defined key concepts, let's discuss how they influence our decisions. So let's explore some common behavioral phenomenons. Loss aversion, the tendency to prefer avoiding losses rather than acquiring equivalent gains. We can see how that becomes an issue. Framing effect, the tendency to be influenced by the way information is presented rather than the information itself. Overconfidence bias, individuals overestimating their knowledge and abilities. Working memory. Working memory is a very important or very critical part of processing in our brain, and it temporarily holds on to information, which allows us then to manipulate and process it. So here are some strategies to help you overcome biases, heuristics, and cognitive limitations. 1, recognize your biases. The first step in overcoming bias is to recognize that they exist. 2, seek diverse perspectives. Expose yourself to different viewpoints, opinions, and experiences. 3, practice self-reflection. Regularly reflect on your biases and decision-making processes. And finally, understand that we can process 4 chunks of information at a time. Understand your limitations and work within those parameters when you are digesting and presenting information. So to recap, understanding that biases, heuristics, and cognitive limitations exist and working to defeat them instead of falling prey to them is how we get around them. Finally, I invite you to engage with us this week on LinkedIn as we discuss decision theory. And I think that my puppy also wants to make an opinion. Hi, thanks so much.